With the recent opening of New South Wales, which is likely to be followed by Victoria and Queensland, as a result of achieving 80% plus vaccinations in each state, we should see an uplift in activity at both the consumer level and the investor level. With residential property prices having risen so much in a general sense over the last 12 months, this should generally improve supply, including the supply of available projects suitable for developers to develop. I'm excited to announce that our flagship funds, the Trilogy Monthly Income Trust and the Trilogy Enhanced Income Fund, are now available on Macquarie Wrap. This is great news for our advisors and follows on from the recent inclusion of the Trilogy Enhanced Income Fund to the Net Wealth platform. This now means that our funds are available on most of the major platforms. Our portfolio managers, together with external consultants, such as quantity surveyors, are cognizant of the impact arising from supply constraints and also costings of materials when processing loan applications. As a result of this, we are not seeing any significant impact due to lockdowns or interruptions to construction. There remains healthy activity in the development and construction sector across Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria, which is positive for our loan portfolio. One of many factors impacting income securities is the emergence of inflation and whether this is transitory or more permanent. Inflation is presently observed in a number of commodity markets and also in other areas such as services, where labour shortages is causing upward pressure on wages. Much of this may be caused by supply issues as a result of COVID, the real point, however, being whether they go away once economies open up. Through active management of the Trilogy Enhanced Income Fund, we continue to generate returns for investors. Looking forward, our team will continue to monitor and reposition the portfolio, taking advantage of opportunities as they arise. As mentioned in our last update, we recently reopened the Trilogy Industrial Property Trust to new investment. We've seen a great response from investors and have acquired 3 new industrial properties in recent months. This includes 2 acquisitions in Queensland, one being in the Centra Park Industrial Estate in Coolum on the Sunshine Coast, and a further property in the emerging Toowoomba Trade Gateway Precinct of Wellcamp. These 2 acquisitions bring the trust size to almost $132 million. Adding geographic diversity to the portfolio, in early October we settled a property in Hexham near Newcastle in New South Wales. The Hexham property is the Industrial Trust's largest asset to date and incorporates ambient warehousing and cool room facilities. It is also the Trust's first cold storage asset, broadening the Trust's tenant sector spread. We continue to explore further opportunities to grow the Industrial Trust portfolio and expect additional properties to settle in the coming months. A key regulatory change was the introduction of the design and distribution obligation. Key documentation like target market determinations and DDO are all available on our website. However, if you do have any questions in relation to DDO, please reach out to a member of our distributions team for assistance. You may have noticed our communications and website look a little different as we've just launched our new brand. Our new icon visually represents the 3 pillars of our business: investing, financing and property, coming together to build wealth for our clients. The use of Trilogy funds in our logo reflects the multiple ways we build wealth. It is both a noun and a verb. We manage funds on behalf of our investors and we provide funding for borrowers of property projects to build. Rest assured, our commitment to supporting you remains unchanged, and our goal of building wealth together continues to be at the heart of everything we do.